PQCheck. Installation and setup. Start by unpacking the device from its carrying case and install it at a single electrical point at the client's location to measure, such as a breaker. The carrying case should contain one PQCheck device, one AC cable, 4 split-core CTs, 4 flexible CTs, and 4 voltage clamps. Use split-core CTs for measuring currents less than 192 amps and flexible CTs for currents greater than 192 amps. The device is rated to measure a maximum of 600 volts. The device can be installed in just a few minutes. For everyone's safety, the installation must be performed by a qualified professional while the system is powered off. To install, plug the voltage clamp cables and the CTs into the appropriate inputs on the side of the PQCheck. The device supports several connection types. For a star connection, the installation should look similar to the image provided. Now install the device. Now that the device is installed, plug the AC cable into the PQCheck and turn on the red switch to power it on. You can also attach the device to metal walls using its magnetic feet. Now, let's connect to the device to configure the measurement. 1. Connect to the device's Wi-Fi network by scanning the QR code on the device's label. 2. Once connected, scan the second QR code to open the device's web page in your browser. Once on the PQCheck built-in web page, you will land on the status page. You can change the language of the web page by hitting Francais at the top. Click on Project at the bottom of the page to set up your measurement. Then click on New Project to start the configuration. Start by entering all the personal information required for the project. This information will be used to identify and track the project. Once done, click on Next. Continue the setup by entering the electrical network information. Then click Confirm and Next. To set up the current sensing, click on Auto Detection. Then click Confirm and Next. Next, enter the nominal voltage and the nominal current. Then click Confirm and Next. Then, configure the thresholds and hysteresis for the 4 possible events: overcurrent, dip, surge, and outage. After configuring each event, click Confirm and Next. Once complete, click Finish to finalize the configuration. If you don't already have an account, please register. An account is required to generate the report after the measurement is complete. Once you have registered for an account, click Proceed New Project to start recording your measurement. Once the recording has successfully started, a UUID will appear with your email. Please write down this UUID as you will need it to generate a report. From here, you can explore the different sections of the web page. On the dashboard page, you can view live trendings of the measurement. Click Play to start the live view. You can also access this web page from your computer. Congratulations! You've just completed the installation of your PQCheck.